In this video, we are going to see about the stack array implementation program. So in a previous video, for three operations, we saw only that part code, and here we are going to see about the whole code here. Okay. So first we are header file. Then we are defining the size for the max. So the size for the max is 8. Then we are declaring the global variable, that is st of max, that is stack of max. So here max is 8. Then top is equal to -1. So initially when the stack is empty, the top value is -1. Okay. Then we are declaring the push operation function, then pop, then peek. Then we are using one more for displaying the values from the stack. And the main function, inside the main function, first what we are doing, we are passing two variables, that is value and the option. So this option is for, we are going to use the switch case statement. So for that we are using option, and next we are using the do while statement. So do while statement, so this is for getting the switch values. So in a do, we are printing main menu, then the options, one is push, one is 2 is pop, 3 is peek, then 4 is display, and 5 is exit. Then we are getting the value by using the scanf statement. We are getting the value for the option, and based upon the option value what we have given, based on that we will do the execution. So inside the switch case, here we have given 5 options, right? So here we are going to use the 5 switch cases. Okay, we are going to use the 5 switch cases here. So first case 1, what we are doing, first we are printing enter the number to be pushed on the stack. So what value you want to push. Then by using the scanf statement, we are getting the value for the VAL. Then what we are doing, we are calling the function push st VAL. We are calling this function. So once this function is called, we have to go to the function definition. So this is the function definition. So inside the function definition, already we saw this code. First what we are doing, we are checking the condition top is equal to max -1. So if this condition is true, means it will print stack overflow. If it is false, means what it will do, it will increment the value of the top and it will assign the value in the topmost position. Then it will take break. Then suppose if you are giving the option as a 2, so it will go to the case 2, and here we are assigned value is equal to pop of st. Okay, pop of stack. And here what we are doing, we are checking the condition value is not equal to -1. Okay, we are checking the condition value is not equal to -1. Okay, here we are value is equal to pop st, that is we are calling the function, and when we are calling the function, that function when we are calling that function, what it will do, it will go to the function called for this pop. So this is the pop. Okay, and here what we are doing, first we are declaring one variable int VAL. Then we are checking the condition top is equal to -1. If it is true, means it will print as the stack underflow. Okay, and it will return as a -1. If it is false, means it will go to the else part, and what value is available in the top position, that value will be stored in the variable VAL. Then what we will do, we will decrement the value of the top, then we will return the value. So here what will happen, here it will check if value was not equal to -1. Okay, if it is not equal to -1, so here we are checking this condition. If this condition is true, means what it will do, it will return as a -1. So we are checking it is not equal to -1. If it is not equal to -1, means some value is there and we have done the deletion. Okay, so if it is not equal to -1, means it will print the value deleted from the stack is this value. Okay, it will print the value deleted from the stack is this value. Okay, suppose if it is -1, so that means the stack is empty, so the stack is underflow. It will print the message as the stack is underflow, and it will return the -1. So if it is -1, means it will stop the process. Then if the option is 3, okay, if the option is 3, means we will go to the case 3, and here it is given value is equal, val is equal to peak of st. So here what we are doing, we are calling the peak function. So here where is the peak function? Here it is a peak function. So here first we have to check top is equal to -1. We are checking the condition top is equal to -1. If it is -1 means it will print as stack is empty and it will return the -1. If it is false, it will return the topmost value. Okay, it will return the topmost value, and here we will check top is not equal to -1, because if it is stack is empty means it is empty. Stack is empty means it will return the value as -1, right? So we are checking value is not equal to -1. If it is not equal to -1, it will print the value stored at the top of the stack is this particular value and it will break. And if you are giving the 4, okay, if you are giving the 4 as a case, so what is that? Display of st. So this, it is calling the display function. So here it is a display function. Okay, so we are declaring int I, then we are checking the condition top is equal to -1. Okay, top is equal to -1. If it is true means it will print the message as stack is empty, and if it is false means what it will do, it will go to the else part. And here we are using the for loop. So for I is equal to top, then I is greater than equal to 0 and I -1. Okay, so what will happen if this condition is true means it will print the top value. Okay, it will print the top value, because from the top position only we can able to read also, right? We can able to display. So it will print the top value, then we will decrement the value. So like this way, what we till this condition getting false, what we will do, we will check the condition and we will display the value. And if you are giving the 5, if you give the option as a 5 means here the condition is true, sorry, the condition is false, so it will return as a 0. So this is the stack array implementation code. So just for reference, I have executed this code. And one thing I forgot to say, so by using this case 1, for using the push operation, what we can do, we can insert the multiple number of values in the stack, but you have to remember the max size also. So here, so this is the I have executed, and just I have given the screenshot here. So these are the main menu options. So I'm giving the first option, so I'm pushing the elements 2, 6, 8, 7, 3, 5. Then by using the display is a 4, I have displayed all the elements, and I am giving the option as a 2. So the value, so the top value should be that topmost value is 7, right? 7 means the last entered value here is 7. So when you are doing the pop operation, so what will happen? The deleted from the stack, the topmost value we are returning in the code. So the deleted from the stack is 7. And if I am giving the option 4 again, so for just want to check whether the element is removed, so you can see the elements except 7 or the elements are displayed. Then I am giving the option 3, that is a peak operation. So the value is stored in the top of the stack. What is the top of the stack? It is 5. So it is displaying the 5 again. So for the confirmation I am checking here. Then when I am giving the 5, it will display. It will exit from the code. Okay. So this is about the stack array implementation program.